Hi friends! Amazing deal for you. Echo Input Portable Smart Speaker Edition. Carry Echo anywhere in your home for just 3,999 rupees from Amazon. Product highlights. Portable Echo for your home, smart speaker that comes with a fabric design and 360-degree sound. Unplug the device and carry it room to room while listening to music, uninterrupted. Built-in battery for non-stop music, comes with a 4800 mAh rechargeable battery that provides up to 10 hours of continuous music playback time, up to 11 hours of standby time. Tap the power button to see the current battery level indicated by the 4 LEDs. Voice control your music, stream music from Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, Apple Music, JioSaavn, and Gaana. Just ask for a song, artist, or genre. To increase the volume, just ask Alexa, volume 10. Get help when your hands are full, ask Alexa to play music. Control compatible smart home devices, answer questions, read the news, check the weather, and more. Works with compatible smart home devices. The device is compatible with hundreds of smart home devices from Philips, Wipro, Cisco, DP-Link and more. Designed to protect your privacy, built with multiple layers of privacy protections and controls, including a microphone off button that electronically disconnects the microphones. Alexa has skills, with tens of thousands of skills and counting. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new features and skills like booking a cab, ordering food, playing games, and more. If you want to buy this wonderful item, buy link in description. Go and purchase wonderful product.